So we have to fit a best fitting curve in the form y equal to a into x raised to b for the given data. So they have given the set of x and y values where 6 set of values are being given. Then we need to calculate y when x equal to 3.5. Okay, so start with the given curve. So here for the third case, compulsorily they have to mention which type of curve. Otherwise it is difficult. Okay, so let us take the curve of the form y equal to a into x raised to b. This is the given curve. Don't change it. Don't change it to any other power curve. Take exactly same. So here, suppose this is the curve of best fit. This is the curve of best fit. So what are the values of, what are the unknowns here that we need to find out? Are what? Please answer.
A and B.
A and B. So purpose of solving this example or applying the method is we need to get the values of best fitting values of A and B. Okay. Now for any power curve, what is the next step? We need to,
Normalization.
we need to apply log. Apply log. Let us take. So it is log y is equal to, tell me the simplification of RHS if you apply log A plus what is log of x raised to b?
B log A.
B log x. B log x. Okay. So this is a variable, take it as y. This is a constant, take it as some a. This is b, just for convenience, write it in terms of capital. And log x also, take it as capital X. Where do mention capital X is log x, capital Y is log y, capital A is log A, and capital B is what? Small b. That's all. Okay, don't write for everything log. See the example and just write down. Take this as some equation 2. What is this equation 2? Which type of curve is this? 2 is a straight line. Okay, we know how to fit a straight line. The normal equations are, help me in writing normal equations. Put a summation for this, right? Summation y equal to, don't want to give the answer? Okay, n into a plus b into summation x, isn't it? What is one more equation?
Summation of xy is
Very
equal
good.
to
Huh.
a summation of x
Huh.
plus
Yeah.
b summation of x square.
Very good. Take this as set of equation 3 now. So to find capital AB, we need to construct a tabular form. So first we'll take, if you want, take small x and y as extra, your choice. But our capital X and capital Y are log of those values. So instead of taking that extra, somehow this is there in the question, I'll take little straight away. So capital X, I'll take it as log x. See, all of you, for convenience, this being the first problem, just write it as ln x, will be more clear to you. So y is nothing but log y, which is nothing but ln y. Then what else is required here? Just see equation 3 and tell me what is the next
Please,
column?
can you scroll up?
Not written question. You
Ma'am, I
wanted,
had some network.
okay, you wanted only table, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Let's copy it down fast.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, others, are you copying? Then I'll wait. If written, then shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So this is, what is the next value required? What is the next column? in the tabular form. Capital XY, isn't it? Is there anything else, or is it only these three values are enough? What is one more thing required here? Is x square. Start taking the tabular form. So for understanding better, I will take the beginning values of x and y. Yeah. See, your x value is given as 1. So just apply ln 1. Can anybody tell me what is this?
0.
0. Ln 1 also is 0. Okay. Next. Ln 2. I think 0.6923 if I'm not wrong. Check.
6931, ma'am.
6931. Okay. Yeah. Next, ln 3 like that. Did you understand how to take? Okay, better. For this example, I'll write all the values. Okay, tell me log 3.
1.0986.
79.
0986, ma'am.
Okay, not 79. 0986. 0. Okay. Next. 4.
1.386.
1.386.
After 6.
3, ma'am.
6, 3. Okay. You know how to round it off. Round it and take it. Otherwise, your answer will be little different then. No, not accurate.
1.6094.
0. Next. Is it done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one more. 6.
0.
1 pointer.
No. Value of LAN 5, ma'am. 6094.
6094. Okay. Yeah. 6.
1.7917.
8, ma'am.
1 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. Okay. Similarly, take the values of y in the again applying ln only. So first value is 2.94. 98. So log of
1.0919.
Okay. Next.
1.4493.
1.4529.
4493.
Next. Yeah, that's
1.6506.
1.6506.
2 pointer.
1 point, ma'am.
Okay, 1 point. Sorry.
1.6506.
Okay. Next.
$1.8083.
83. Okay. Next.
1.9169.
69. Okay. Last one more.
2.0149, ma'am.
0 4
0149.
0149. Okay.
49.
Yeah. Yes. So we have taken these y values and we have applied log to that, ln to that, and we have written this column capital Y. Hope all of you have understood it. Because this value, if you take it wrong, you will not get. Yes.
Ma'am, it's first column, second value. Ma'am, 0.6932 it must be.
32. Okay. Yes. No. Yeah. Now go on just multiplying. So x is 0 means obviously this is also 0. This x square is also 0. Not to worry. Now multiply 0.6932 into 1.4493.
1.0046.
46. Okay. Next.
1.8133.
8133, right? Okay.
$2.5068.
5068. Now don't wait that till he tells the values. Other also can start calculating it. Let's multiply this value of x with y. Yeah, tell what you'll get.
3.0850.
0850, right?
51, ma'am, sir.
51. Okay. Last entry.
3.611.
611. 5. Am I right with this digit?
No, ma'am. 3.6.
Allah.
Ma'am, last one 3.6102.
3.610203, ma'am.
6103 I have to write, not 15.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
03. Okay. Yeah, start telling me about x square values then.
Ma'am, rounding up we should do for all the values.
Better you do it for all the values, then only your answer will be more accurate, or it matches with the answer given in the scheme. See, after writing, see what you do after decimal, if you are getting many digits, then round it for 4. That means write the 4 digits. While writing the 4th one, see the 5th digit. If it is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the 4th digit. This is rounding of the number. Do it while taking the entries in the table. So you will be more accurate. Okay. If you are not getting the digits, no question. If you are getting more digits, this is how we have to do. And suppose if the last digit is, suppose 4th digit is 9, and after that you are getting 5. Don't ask me what to do. Keep it as 9. Don't change it to 0. Okay. Yeah, tell me x square column fast.
0.4805.
46, huh?
4805.
4805. Okay. Next.
1.2099.
2099.
69, ma'am.
69.
69. Okay.
1.92.
2.5902.
2.5902.
No, one second. This is very little difficult to write the digits. Just let me concentrate. 1.9.
9218, ma'am.
18. Okay. Yeah.
2.5902.
Okay. Last.
3.2105.
Okay. Yes. Let us complete this table. Yeah. Now you know you need to add the columns. So if you have taken x and y extra, small x and y, don't add them. It is not at all required. Yeah, add these values. Tell me summation x. Huh? Summation x.
$6.5793, ma'am.
Correct, I think?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
yeah. Summation y means what you have calculated is correct. What I have written by listening to you, I asked. Okay. Summation y
9.99.
1.99.
No, ma'am,
9 point.
Allah.
Ma'am, 9 point.
Sorry. Okay.
9.93.
It cannot be 1 point. 9 point. 9 point.
9.319. 9.9319.
Okay. Yeah. XY.
Ma'am, it's 9.9319, ma'am.
9319. Okay.
931, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now correct. Tell me XY.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, please carry your calculator with you and operate it. To use it. XY.
12.0201.
Correct.
0201.
Ma'am, 12.02.
02. 0201.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm just thinking. I'm hearing the digits like that. I don't know how you are hearing my voice through this online class. How you are getting my explanation. I'm really thinking about it. It's summation explain. Hopefully, you are getting it correctly.
9.40
4099.
9.
Others, same answer. All are getting
Yes, ma'am.
same. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, all of you do try. It's just a practice. It is like a preparation only. Now, once if you are thorough with these problems, very easy. 1 or 2 you can take for practice before exam and then easily you can attempt it. Okay, let us substitute in which equation now? Let us substitute in equation 3. Along with that, n is nothing but 6, right? 6 set of values. Yeah. So what is that equation? First part of equation 1, summation y equal to. So summation y is 9.9319 is equal to NA, right? 6A plus summation x into B. 6.5793 into B. And second equation is summation xy. 12.0201 is equal to summation x. 6.5793A plus 9.4099B. All of you learn how to use calculator, else very difficult to end up with the answer. This is very useful. Go to calculator, press mode button, you will get equations. In that you can choose here for 2 unknowns. What are A and B values? A is
1.0913.
13.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, B
0.5144.
5144. Do check, all of you. Same answer. While taking, no, it should be taken 6, then 6.5793 and then 9.9319. I think equation given is ANX plus BNY equal to CN. Yes. Same answer. Let us find now small a and small b.
ma'am.
Yeah. So for that, see the relation here. Capital A is equal to log of small a and b is exactly b. So here we have to simplify for small a here. Right. A equal to log a. This implies a equal to e raised to a. And already capital A is known. So take e raised to 1.0913 in calculator and tell me.
2.9782.
8?
1.
1. Okay, so this is the value of A. Better keep it in a box. And one more thing. B is exactly equal to capital B. So this is 0.5144. Don't keep capital AB in box. Otherwise, it creates a confusion. Okay, is it clear now? So let us substitute this in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes, can you tell me how is the curve? Y equal to A into x raised to b, no? So A is 2.9 into x raised to 0.5144. Here, this is the required curve of best fit. Curve of best fit. Now they have asked some continuation of this. What they have asked, we have to find the value of y when x is 3.5. So what to do? How can we get it?
Put x is equal to
3.5. Yeah. What about the rest of the values? They are going to be the same. Yeah. Do calculate it. See, better take 3.5 a bracket for that. Then you can raise.
5.67.
How much?
5.729.
No, add some. Okay. 5.7.
6729, ma'am.
6729. Okay. Let us confirm whether it is correct or no. Just if there is a, yeah, just see the values are increasing. How the values of x are increasing, like that, y also has increased. So here 3.5 is between which two values of x? X is 3.5 means
3
what are
and
the
4.
3 and 4. So your value should be between 5.2 and 6.1. Correct? Yeah, isn't it? This 5.6 is between 5.2 and 6.1. Okay, so that roughly you can say that what is the value obtained is maybe correct. Yes.
Ma'am, about yesterday's sum, we get the same answer.
Same answer. What you did there?
Divided by 20.
Divided by 20 you did. Okay, very good. See, so if you are aware that it is going to be a bigger, like very lengthy terms, if bigger numbers I'm going to get, what you can do is you can do some simplification. But finally, when you substitute back those x and y, no, that has to be done back. Otherwise, the values of a and b will not match with the scheme answer. Okay. So let me take one more example here. Fit a curve of the form. Fit a curve of the form y equal to a into b raised to x for the following data. Take the values of x and y. X values are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Y values are 1, 1.2, 1.8, 2.5, 3.6, 4.7, 6.6, and 9.1. It's a simple curve. Only thing it is not like okay, previous. So for that you have to just do the beginning simplification. Take the curve and apply log, simplify. Just do check whether log a we have to take log x, log y both or no. Okay. Yeah. Will you try solving it? Shall I give you some time? If you say yes, I'll give you some time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the values of the summation values, capital AB values and small ab values. This is how it has to be solved. So carefully you have to see these relations. When we convert in terms of straight line format, see carefully what is your capital X and capital Y in terms of small xy. And finally, when you take the small ab values, again see the same relation. Isn't it here a equal to log a and b equal to log b? That means small a and b will be e raised to capital A and e raised to capital B. Okay. Yes. Let us take one more. This is one of the like example which is little typical. You can say little favorite example of the question paper setter. You can just write down. It is at constant temperature, the pressure P and the volume V of a gas are connected by the relation PV raised to T equal to some constant. Find the best fitting equation of this form to the following data and estimate V when P equal to 4. Okay, so P is given in the kg square centimeter. Will not worry much about it. So V in cc, cubic centimeter. Okay, so this is 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. Corresponding V values are 1620, 1000, 750, 620, 520, and 460. Yeah, do write this. This is one of the important examples. Now see this relation. How we don't have any x, y and all, but we have got some variables. What are the variables involved here in this equation?
P and V.
P and V, obviously. That's why they have given the table. So here pressure, as pressure increases, volume increases or decreases, whatever it is. Okay, so volume depends on pressure, isn't it? So this is given by this relation. PV raised to T equal to constant. What is this T representing? What is T? Huh?
Temperature, ma'am.
Temperature. And what they have given about the temperature, how it is? It's a constant, right? So first, let us take this equation and convert it in our form. So we are aware this is to be considered as whether we have to take it as straight line format, or is it in the parabola format, or is it in the power curve? Which category we have to treat this curve as? PV raised to T equal to some constant.
Power.
Power curve, obviously. So because we have some power over here, okay, where K is some constant. Okay, I'll call this as equation 1. Here, for power curve, what we do? What we do?
Apply log.
We apply log, right? And one more important, very important thing. Tell me, we need to get the values of what? By applying the least square method.
T and K.
T and K, very good. Correct? This value should be obtained. How we used to take A and B, no? Instead of that, it is T and K. So what you do? Just apply log. If you apply log, it is going to be, tell me the simplification. Log of P, plus
P plus T log V.
T log V is equal to log of K. Okay. We'll try to keep it in a straight line format. In our straight line format, we have it like y equal to ax plus b format. Okay. So tell me among these two terms, which is to be shifted on the other side. Obviously, T log V has to be shifted. This is little different problem. Just do remember, because you have a variable multiplied with a constant. Here, this is looking like our y, isn't it? So this will shift it. So it becomes now log P is equal to, you can say log K. If I shift this, it becomes a negative term. T log V, isn't it? Now, let us substitute in terms of some variable and let us see whether it is going to be converted as a straight line format, yes or no. So log P, I'll take it as y. Correct? Because P is a variable. Log K.
Can we keep it the same form? Can we take it in the same form?
Which form? Log P only.
No, ma'am. The upper one, the upper equation.
Here, like this.
Log K equal to log P plus T log V.
In this format you want to take. So how we have written the normal equations?
Ma'am, K equal to P.
Yeah. You see, for least square method, no, they have taken it either y equal to ax plus b or y equal to a plus bx format, and then they have given the normal equations. Got it? That means y should be here. you cannot apply anyhow you want. Okay, so because there is some standard way, that theoretical part is not there for your syllabus actually. So keep it. Huh.
Directly we get the answers, right?
I don't get the question.
Ma'am, if we change the normal equations accordingly, we get the same answer, right?
But I cannot assure you that you will get 100% same. Okay, yeah, both are one and the same actually, but the procedure will be applied will be for y equal to ax plus b or a plus bx format. See what
Okay.
Better you follow standard. Better.
Okay.
I'm not saying you are wrong. You are okay. You are what you said is correct, but taking normal equation will be little difficult. Okay, and even though if
Yes.
I tell one more point, it arises lot of confusion. So I'll not tell you that now. Let me just take. So log y. So this is I'll treat it as y. Log k. Isn't it a constant?
Capital A.
So take it capital A. Now here we have a minus, but we have for normal equation as plus. I'll take it as plus. This part, no. Along with minus only, I'll take it as some b. Minus t, I'll take it as b. Is it okay? It's a constant somehow. Then log v, how to take? Obviously capital X. Capital X. Where, better you write it and just be sure about it. It is y is equal to log of p. A is equal to log k. What is b? Minus t. Okay, don't attach that minus
K.
And create a problem. Finally, we can just shift that minus. Okay, and x is log of b. Okay, yeah, this is how we have to take, and we have to solve the further part. Yeah, normal equations. Now easily you can tell. But if I write like a plus c, just answer here. A plus bx equal to y plus bx is equal to a. If I ask, maybe some students may not follow the thing. What they did, they have converted to a similar format, which concept you are already aware. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, summation y is n into summation, okay, n a plus b into summation x. Then one more, summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. Equation 3. Now prepare a tabular form. Yeah, you can just start with capital X. What is capital X? It is log of v. What is capital Y? Capital Y is log of p. Correct? Then what we have? We want to calculate xy. We want to calculate x square. Try to complete this table form. Complete the table format, and I'm interested in getting the summation values. So these are the summation values. These are the values of a and b. Then we got the value of k, and we have got the value of t also. Let us substitute in equation 1. What we have? PV raised to t. Okay, and t is 1.4220 is equal to k. K is 18401. Correct? Yeah. So they have asked one more thing. They have asked us to find b when p equal to 4. So just put p equal to 4 and find out b. Very carefully you do it. So p is 4. This is v raised to 1.422 equal to 18,401. So how to take it? Take one by one term that side. So v raised to 1.422 will be 18,401. If I shift my 4, it is in the denominator. Okay. What is this value? 4 4s are 16, I think. So then 2. Yeah, tell me what you get.
Uh, 46. Sorry, 4,600.25. 4,600.25.
25. You will not get any pointer. Okay. One is there. I think you will. Am I right? Am I right?
Ma'am, 4600.25.
Yeah, ma'am.
One second. What? 4600.25. 0.25. Okay, done. Then what you do now? I want V. Okay, so raise the power. Therefore, V will be. See, I don't want this, so raise it as 4600.25 to the power. If I take it here, this becomes 1 divided by. Am I right? It is like x square is equal to 2 means what is x? 2 raised to half, no?
1 by 2.
Root 2. Like that in a
Yes,
similar
ma'am.
form. Okay, so this is 1.422. Just calculate it.
376.52.
0.5. Okay, just check whether the answer is right or no. See, P is 4. P is 4 means here. See the table. So table P is increasing, V is decreasing here. So 4 is after 3 means your value should be less than 460. Is it correct? Yes. Our value is less than 460. So what we calculated is approximately correct. So